Today we're diving into a fitness game changer, hybrid workouts. Confused? Don't worry, it's not some sci-fi experiment. Hybrid workouts simply combine the best of both worlds, the high-energy atmosphere of gyms with the convenience and flexibility of home workouts. Think of it as the ultimate fusion for busy bees who want to crush their fitness goals without sacrificing time or variety. Why go hybrid? Let's face it, life gets hectic. Between work, errands, and social commitments, squeezing in regular workouts can feel like juggling chainsaws. That's where hybrid workouts shine. They offer 1. Flexibility. Ditch the rigid gym schedule. Swap between in-person classes for specific disciplines, think HIIT or spin, and home workouts using apps, equipment, or bodyweight exercises. 1. You choose when and where you sweat. 2. Variety. Bored with the same old routine? Hybrid workouts keep things fresh by mixing up your training. 2. No more gym monotony or home workout slumps, keep your body and mind challenged. 3. Cost effectiveness. Who needs an expensive gym membership when you can mix and match? Utilize free online resources, invest in some basic home equipment, and hit the occasional class. You'll save cash while still getting amazing results. 4. Personalized approach. Hybrid workouts let you tailor your fitness to your needs and preferences. 4. Push yourself with group classes one day, focus on recovery with yoga at home the next. It's all about you. Building your hybrid routine. Ready to jump on the hybrid bandwagon? Here's how to build your own killer routine. 1. Assess your needs. What are your fitness goals? Do you prefer structured classes or free-form training? How much time do you have? Defining your needs will guide your hybrid workout mix. 2. Choose your weapons. Select a handful of in-person classes or studios that suit your interests. For home workouts, find apps you enjoy, invest in affordable equipment like resistance bands or a yoga mat, or simply rely on bodyweight exercises. 3. Plan your week. Schedule your gym classes and dedicate specific days for home workouts. Don't forget to factor in rest and recovery. 4. Listen to your body. Hybrid workouts offer flexibility, so use it. Feeling burnt out? Take a break from the gym and focus on low-impact activities at home. Feeling energized? Push yourself with a challenging home workout. 5. Make it fun. Hybrid workouts shouldn't feel like a chore. Choose activities you enjoy, mix things up, and don't be afraid to get creative. Hybrid workout ideas. Now that you're prepped, here are some hybrid workout combos to get you started. 1. Monday. HIIT class at the gym plus yoga flow at home. 2. Tuesday. Strength training with free weights at home plus Pilates class. 3. Wednesday. Active recovery walk plus bodyweight circuit workout at home. 4. Thursday. Spin class at the studio plus dance fitness video at home. 5. Friday. Rest and recover. Stretch, relax, and recharge for another amazing week. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your hybrid routine, listen to your body, and most importantly, have fun. Hybrid workouts are a fantastic way to achieve your fitness goals while fitting seamlessly into your busy life. So, ditch the excuses and embrace the hybrid revolution.